Good day! In this video, we are going to learn how to know the days of the week in 2024 as well as 2025, as the year of 2023 is coming to an end. So before we do that method, we need to know the numbers that's associated with the month. So for example, January is 6, February is 2, March is 2, April is 5, May is 0, June is 3, July is 5, August is 1, September is 4, October is 6, November is 2, and December is 4. So you need to add the days, the month, and the year for you to be able to get the day of the week. So the days is simple because if you have 12, you add 12. The month is the number that you need to remember. And the year, I'm going to teach you how to remember the year. To calculate the month is very simple. So we are divided into 4 different colors. January to March is red, April to June is blue, July to September is green, and October to December is black. So to remember, it's quite easy. So you start with 6 to 2 for the first 3 months, and the last 3 months is 6 to 4. So you 6 to 2 in the first 3 months and 6 to 4 in the last 3 months. Okay, and then 503, 514. All the big numbers start at the start. Okay, 6556. Always start with a big number, 6556. Okay, and then the other way to remember is that you are going to add them up. This is 10, this is 8, this is 10, this is 12. So 10, 8, 10, 12. That's how I remember them. So the number from January to December is 622, 503, 514, and 624. The only thing that the same number as the month is February, which is number 2. So without further ado, let's do an example. Okay, so remember I told you before, you need to add the day, the month, and the year for you to calculate the days of the week. So we'll do an example now, okay? So we have done the month. The days is simple. If I say 16, you add 16. The year is a bit more complicated. The year, if in 2024, because 2024 is a leap year, if the month is January or February, you're going to add 1 to the year. Just remember that, okay? January and February, you're going to add 1. If it is March to December, you're going to add 2 to the year. So just remember that, because this 2024 is a leap year, that's why you have to add 1 for January and February. Then after February, you're going to add 2 to the year. So we shall look at an example. So 16 February 2024. So we're going to add 16 as a day. February, you look at this chart, February is 2. So you're going to add 2. And the year, remember, before in February, you're going to add 1. So the year 2024, you're going to add 1. So what you're going to do, you're going to add them up. 16 plus 2 plus 1, that will give us 19. The next step you're going to do, you're going to divide by 7 because there are 7 days in a week. The answer is going to give you 2, remainder 5. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. This 5 will indicate what day it's going to be. So it's 5. That date, 16 February 2024, is going to be a Friday. Interesting, isn't it? Okay, now we bring it up a bit. Okay, now we're going to do 2 more examples, and you're going to do the last example, 22nd July 2024. So July 22nd is still 22. Okay, July, you look at the chart there, is 5, so plus 5. And then 2020, July is in, you add the year as 2. So 22 plus 5 plus 9 will give you 29. Okay. And again, we're going to divide by 7 because there are 7 days in a week. 29 divided by 7 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Remainder 1. So you should be able to get it. So 1, it means the day 22nd of July is going to be a Monday. So I give you a few seconds to think about 25th of December 2024. Press the pause button and check the answer. Okay, I'm coming back to the answer now. So 25th is going to be 25. Okay. December is 4. And more after February plus 2 for the year. And the answer is 31. So 31 divided by 7 is going to be 4. 28, remainder 3. So the Christmas day next year is going to be a Wednesday. Okay, we shall do 2025. 2025 is a bit easier because it's not a leap year. So for the year, we are just going to add 3 to the year for 2025. 2026, most likely you're going to add 4, but we don't worry about 2026 at the moment, okay? So, 6th April 2025, so 6th April, go to the chart, it's 5. 2025 is going to be 3 the year. The answer is 14. 14 divided by 7 is 2, remainder 0. 0 means it is a Sunday. Great. Now we look for the next one. 12 August, so 12 August is 1, 12 plus 1, and remember 2025 is 3, so 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 plus 3 is 16, divided by 7 is 2, remainder 2, so that will be 12th of August is going to be, I think, it's a Tuesday, okay? Please check your calendar and see I'm right. And then the last example, 21st November 2025, I'm going to bring it up a bit, okay? 21st November, so day 21 November is going to be 2, and 2025 is going to be 3. 21 plus 2 plus 3 is going to be 26, divided by 7 is going to be 3, times 7 is 21, remainder 5, so that day is going to be a Friday. So, the most important thing to remember, 2024, the year, January, February add 1. After February, you add 2. 2025, you're going to add 3. And you need to remember this number. Okay, this number is very important. January is going to be, the January to March is 6 to 2. October to December is 6 to 4. That's quite similar, 6 to 2, 6 to 4. Then this 503, 514. 503 add up to 8, 514 add up to 10. And if you remember the month and you can remember the year, just add the number and you can calculate which day of the week in 2024 and 2025. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, everyone, and have a good day.